So it's day number 7, and I think I recorded this without actually pressing record. So I have actually just opened day number 7 without hitting the record button. That kind of feels like 2020. So the first one I did was the Boots number 7 advent calendar. Open that up just for the camera. So day number 7 was up here, so I opened it and it was this free blush. So there's not actually any product in there. I don't think anything's fallen down. I think the product of the day is the voucher. Now, I never use vouchers, I'm terrible. Whether it's a voucher to redeem a product in store, or whether it's a voucher like that's been given to me as a gift, even for shops that I like, I always forget I've got them. I should just put them in my handbag, in my purse, but even when they're in my purse I forget I've got them. So day number 7, I just pulled out the box. Will I do a surprise face? So day number 7 is the Ren Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA tonic. This is a tonic that, if you've watched my recent empties video, I have had 2 of these and they nip my skin. Now maybe the nipping's doing it some good, but I will use it. Ren is a really good skincare brand. It's cruelty free as well, which is always a bonus, and it's clean skincare. And it is a really good brand, but this just nips my skin a wee bit. Unlike my Elemis, which I can just spritz on during the day, but this reminds me of what toners used to be like. So yeah, I will definitely use it, even though it's a little bit nippy on my skin. So yeah, first blunder in the boxes so far. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch up with you soon. Bye guys.